little Beth, and I'm 5 years old, and this is how the refrigerator works. This is how the refrigerator works. This is how you turn it on and off. This helps it when you turn it to any number, or if you want it to get hot, you can turn it to 0. And there's a cord that travels to that light bulb, and it makes stuff get really cold. Feel this. And it helps my sister's food stay cold too. And that's the end.